Today, I'm going to teach you how to swap shifts with coworkers in Microsoft Teams. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to exchange your work schedule with a colleague, whether you have a personal commitment or simply need to adjust your hours. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Microsoft Teams and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your workplace, as this is where your shift schedule is managed. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main Teams interface with all your communication channels and tools. Now look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation panel. Click on the three dots icon, which opens up additional apps and features available in Teams. From this menu, click on Shifts. This is the dedicated scheduling tool within Teams that allows you to view, manage, and request changes to your work schedule. Once you're in the Shifts section, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see several options. Click on Request. This is where you can initiate any changes or modifications to your existing shift schedule, including swaps, time-off requests, or shift offers. In the Request menu, click on New Request to start creating your shift swap proposal. This opens up a form where you'll specify exactly what kind of change you're looking for. For our purpose today, click on Swap from the available request types. This tells the system you want to exchange shifts with another team member rather than just giving away or picking up additional hours. Now you'll see two main fields to fill out. The first section says, I want to swap this shift. Click on Select Your Shift, and you'll see a list of your upcoming scheduled shifts. Click the shift you want to swap. This is the time slot you're currently scheduled for but need to change. Next, move to the section that says, For this shift. Here, click on Select a team member's shift and choose the other person's shift that you want to take instead. This creates a mutual exchange where you take their time slot and they take yours, making it fair for both parties. At this point, you have the option to input a note if you'd like. This is completely optional, but it can be helpful to add context about why you're requesting the swap or any relevant details your manager or coworker should know. Finally, click Send Request to submit your shift swap proposal. Your request will now be sent to the appropriate person for approval, typically your manager or supervisor. All you need to do now is wait for the approval to come through, and you'll receive a notification once your swap has been processed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.